You didn't know this was a cooking show, did ya? All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna try a taste test. Let's see what we get here. So I started charcoal because I want to cook some Italian sausages, but it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit sprinkly, a little bit windy. I may have to abandon this. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna monitor it closely. I don't want it getting out of hand. Oh, there's the garden beds right over there. Yeah, nice. Okie dokie. That would be the glow of firelight on my face. How's it look? Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Orangey, reddy. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. The flames have settled down. It's looking pretty good. The weather's calmed down a little too. It's not windy as much. And it's not as sprinkly. Still cloudy. Cook some Italian sausages here in a few. Maybe 10 more minutes. Yeah. But it's a dry heat. Don't you know? Actually, they're brats. I, for some reason, thought they were Italian sausages, but they're brats. Even better. Here we go, we're getting ready to roll. All right, I got the coals all flattened down and put the grill grate on here. Let it heat that up and melt some of the leftovers off. I've already scrubbed it, but get it hot. All right, let's put some on here. Grill's not real hot yet, but we'll get things started. There we go. Let's get this rolling. It's starting to rain again, sprinkling again. We're getting a little sizzle going. These are going to be wonderful. We're going to have them with some roasted red peppers on these hoagie rolls. It's going to be delish. Yeah, just flipping them for the first time here. And yes, very nice. Looking good so far. Yeah, we're going to have them with these roasted red bell pepper strips, mild. We've had these before. And of course with these soft French rolls, I would have rather got some bigger hoagie rolls, but that'll work. I think it's gonna be yummy. Oh, and we'll probably have some of this gray Poupon. This will even take it up a notch or two. So since they take a little longer on the edges, the edges stay pink. I'm turning a couple of them up on their ends. This one, and this one. I'll let those cook for a few minutes that way. And then I'll do the other two, and I'll flip them on the other side. Try to get them more well browned all the way around. Okay, so now I flipped them. The middle ones are now on their kind of on their sides, and the end ones are supporting them. Let those cook for a few minutes. And this one I flipped over upside down. All right, let's see how that goes. Right now I flipped them all this way, using the grates to hold them. And then I'll flip them upside down after this. Okay, flip them over. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. See if I can do this without knocking them over. Oh, knocked one over. Okay, it's looking good. I think we got a few more minutes, maybe 5 at the most, and it should be done. I'm gonna get that meat thermometer and check it. All right, according to USDA, these guys are supposed to be cooked 160 degrees or more. And let's see what we get. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think we're in good shape. Yeah, we're at like 170. Yep, getting up close to 180. Heck yeah. Check another one just to see. Well, that one is, yep, it is. Ouch. It's hot. Yep. That one is 165, 165, yeah. We're good. Oh, that's looking good. I'm gonna make some brats. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, golden brown. There we go. That's how you do a brat. Well, it could have some sauerkraut. That'd be nice, but I don't have any sauerkraut. So we got some peppers and some gray Poupon. Let's see how that does. You didn't know this was a cooking show, did ya? All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna try a taste test. Let's see what we get here. That's pretty good. Wow. That gray Poupon really puts a nice little zing to it. Some horseradishy. Good stuff, man. Try it. You might like it. See you later.